In this video, I'm going to show you how to close a position on Exness. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your Exness personal area dashboard. And then from here, you want to go to the left and click on trading, and you want to open up your Exness terminal. Now, inside the Exness terminal over here, you can then go and close your position. So as you can see, by default, it's going to show you a chart and then your open positions down here. Now, you may have this lowered like this, and you can't actually see your positions. So to fix this, you want to click on the open button, and of course, it's going to pop up, or you can just click and drag over here, and you can of course make it like a bigger window so we can see a bit better. From here, go to the open position you want to close. So for example, I'm going to go with this first one, and then click on this X button at the far right, which says close position. Now, whenever you click on this, there we go, it says position closed, and that's really all you have to do. Now, if for some reason you can't see your positions, it means you're currently not on the right account. So go to the top over here, click on account, and of course click on switch account, and go to the one where you actually have your positions open. So for example, if I go to this one over here, you'll see that there's no open positions, which means I'm not on the right account, and I then have to switch it to the account I'm actually using for my trading. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.